Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel TechUp. In this video, we will learn on how to log into your Bath & Body Works employee account. So let's get started. First, open any browser of your choice. Then in the search bar, type in Bath & Body Works employee. Then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL as careers.bathandbodyworks.com. In my case, it's the first one. Now scroll down a little bit till you find the job search section. Then tap on the current employees. And then on the top right corner of your screen, there's a button for sign in. So tap on it. To log in as an employee, you need to provide your employee ID in the text field given for your username. So go ahead and type your employee ID in the text field given for your username. Then tap on go. And now you need to provide your password to log into your account. So go ahead and type your password in the text field given for password. Now to log into your account, just tap on go button and you will be successfully logged into your account if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. I hope this video was helpful for you. Consider liking this video and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you.